Hi, this is Balakrishna. Welcome to Free Education. Now, today we learn basic computer. Now, this is the screen. You can see this icons. What is icon? This is called icon. Icon is nothing but graphical representation of program or software or file or folder. Okay, this is computer. You can see. Today we learn basic things. This is called start button in taskbar. Down one is the taskbar. Start button will be left corner. Now, what is folder? Folder, it is like a container. You can store number of files in this. How to create folder we learn today. Just right click on the computer. Right click with the mouse. Go to new. Click on folder. Folder can see. You can give file name. Anything it may be. I'm giving file 1. Click once beside on the screen. Now you can drag this folder wherever you want to place. You want to can drag as per your requirement. You can place anywhere in the on the screen. Now what is file? File is a it is also like container stores information. It consists of collection of information, nothing but the file. How to create file? Click on new. And whichever you want to create a file, it may be in MS Word or MS PowerPoint or anything it may be. Click on that. You can see here MS Word document file. It is called a file. You can give name of the file as per your requirement. Okay, BK file I'm giving. Okay, anything you can give based on your requirement, and you can click once beside that file name created. Now we can change the file name also. How to change? Click on file, right click on the file, go to new rename option, and you can change file name also. A ABC something, anything as per the requirement you can give. In this file also you can drag and place wherever you want on the screen, and you can save in drives also. Okay, any drive you can save. It may be a document or T drive, anywhere. Now let us know about the start button. If you press on the start button, you can see programs. Number of softwares will be there. Based on the requirement, you can open any application software. Favorite bar is there. In this option, few things are there based on the requirement. Microsoft websites you can see here, and documents, whatever history of documents, okay, which all you opened, it will be available here. Presently opened, recently opened files and folders and application softwares. You can see list of application softwares and settings. Settings will be there. In this network connecting, printing, printers settings and taskbar settings you can modify. Search. What is search? You can search any folder or file, and help is there. You can take if you want help support also to know about this window operating system. And finally a run will be there. Okay, whatever is there, you can use this run for deleting temporary files, unnecessary files also you can delete by using this run. In your computer you can see lot of temporary files. Now control A, I clicked for selecting all files. After selecting, click on delete key. Click on delete key. Okay. Now deleted. Now today we'll learn about taskbar also. Taskbar, click or right click, go to properties. Here standard start menu, click on start menu. Start menu option and classical start menu option both will be there. Whichever is convenient, whichever is okay, easy for us, we can use. that option. Click on apply. I'm using classical start menu. And now here some icons you can see, some speaker and antivirus icon, and desktop icon also it is there. By clicking on arrow, you can see all options. Mic, this is mic. You can set this speaker options also. And you can change timings also. Timings. Okay, if you want to change any timings also, you can change based on the requirement. Good. This is clock is there. Now we learn today MS Paint, Notepad, WordPad, basic things. Click on Start button, go to Program, click on Accessories and Paint to open Paint software. This is the basic software where all students required. Most of the first to fifth standard students are using this, and those who don't know computers have to learn these things. It will help us to learn further application softwares. Now we learn basic things of the MS Paint. This is called title bar, top one. Next one is menu bar. This is tool bar, and color bar is there down. And this number of tools are there. Freeform select, eraser, fill color, pick color, magnifier, pencil, okay, brush, spray, text, then type text also, line, curve, rectangle, and polygon, circle, and rectangle, rounded. These tools we can use for painting purpose. Example, I want to paint something. Okay, first I have to select the color, to which color I want. Now I will draw something. We can draw based on our requirement something. There should not be space to fill color. It should be surrounding. It should be it should be fully covered. Line should be fully covered. Then only line will come, color will come correctly. Now see circle. I am putting color by taking color tool. After clicking color tool, I I have to select the color which I want. Just after selecting color, click on particular place wherever you want to fill the color. Now this is a pencil tool. Like this, I can typing few words type. Now, if you want to delete, if you want to erase something, you can erase it by taking erase tools. This is brush tool. This is spray colors tool for spraying for spraying spraying color. You can use that one. Now, I'm spraying little bit some greenery type of color. It is like it is a mountain. Some greenery is required. So it is like this. You can spray the color based on the requirement. Like this. And for typing text, we can use this text tool. Just click on that place wherever you want and type letter something. Whatever you want, you can type that color, and after that decide we have to click once on the screen to come out of that. Like this, a square is there, circle is there, rounded rectangle is there, and this is I think a rectangle. uh, this number of tools you can use based on our requirement. It is very simple software. You can use for painting purpose. Now, how to save file? In file option, you can see number of options. Okay, in file menu, it is a new for clicking, for opening new file, new option. Open we can use if already existing file is there. If we want to open and use that one, means we can use this option. Save, we can save the document. While saving first time you have to use save as, and the second time onwards only save is we can use. Print preview means we can view the file before taking the print. We can view the file before taking print. Okay, it is a portrait shape, and you can select landscape if required. and you want to come out of this file, you want to exit file means click on exit option, and in edit option there is a cut, copy, paste and select all options are there. For selecting all, click on select or control A, it will get select, and you can delete if you want by pressing delete key. Cut, copy, paste, that in WordPad. Next I'm going to explain that, and all I will explain you. Okay, cut means we can cut and paste our text to another place, not only text, any data, and we can copy and paste that also data. Shortcut keys beside you can see, and for pasting control V. After copying a particular text, we can place the text wherever required. Further I will go to explain practically this. Whichever tool you want to select, whichever tool we don't want, you can remove that one. Image options are there of rotating image, convert color and other, clearing image, some other options are there. Color editing we can use by using this pin. This is about the paint. Anything, any doubt is there, you can later you can contact me. Now I am closing existing this present file. It's asking save changes. Yes, I want to save changes. Okay, now where is it? Now we'll go to I'm exiting file. It's asking file name. Let us give some file name. We want to save. Now I closed MS Paint. Go to program. I'm opening MS WordPad, Notepad and WordPad. Notepad is similar to WordPad, but in WordPad more functions are there compared to Notepad. So we'll learn about WordPad. Now this WordPad is similar to MS Word. Here basic things, if we learn something here, similar options we can see in MS Word and MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and other applications. Now first one is title bar, second one is menu bar, next one is standard toolbar. This one you can see here where I'm clicking arrow, you can see this is called formatting bar. Okay, bold, italic, underline, that and all options are there. Next one is ruler. Now these options we can see in file options. You can see number of options like new. To open a new file you can use. Already existing file is there means we can open by clicking this one. Save, we can save here also. Save as, save and save as, both options are there. Print is there. Print preview. Before typing, before taking print, we can use this file, this preview option, and we can set up page also, whether we want A4 size, the size of the page, and all we can select here from this option. And typing something. Computers, I typed. Now I want to cut and paste this thing. I want to change the place of the that particular data. Now I want to cut this. I want to paste down somewhere middle. We can paste it. For pasting, we can click Control V or paste option, edit or paste option. Okay. Now I want to copy. I want to copy, paste. Now for copying, click on edit option. Click on edit option. This mouse cursor not coming, that's why taken time. First we have to select the data. Place the cursor before that particular data which you want to select. Place the cursor. Press left mouse button. Hold it and drag it towards right. It will get select. Then go to edit menu. Go to edit menu. Click on copy. And then place the cursor wherever data is required. Right click on that, paste it, or go to edit or paste it. Both options you can use. How to use? Cut copy by clicking right click also we can do it. See, by right clicking I am just copying. By using right clicking on the same data, we can place the cursor and we can paste it. This way we can use by clicking right click also. By clicking right click also. Select. For selecting all, click on select all. Before copying, pasting or cutting, selecting data is required. Without selecting, we cannot do it. Now toolbar. Certain tools are there, whichever we want to use, that we can select it. It will come. If you again, if you select, it will come. If you want to remove, just click it. If you want, click on that. It will come. Now insert. Insert option. Some options are there. You can use for inserting date, time, etc. Formatting tool. Formatting tool means you can format the text based on the requirement. You can change the font style and size of the font. You can change as per the requirements. Now this data I changed. This data I can change. I can make it bold, italic by using these options. Okay, underline if required. If I want to remove that one, select, and again you press same thing, it will get removed. And I can change alignments also. See here, left, okay, and right. These alignments I can change based on the requirement. Like this, format buttons, format options we can use. Okay, and for saving, go to file, click on save as while saving first time. Okay, whichever folder you want, select it, give file name, just example I'm giving, any file name based on the requirement. Click on save, go and save. And for closing, go to file, exit. That is about the first part of the computer today, and second part I will go into unknown shortly.